حياكم الله at the third edition of the Red Sea International Film Festival. Tonight, we are privileged to be in the presence of remarkable talent. 130 films from 77 countries in over 47 languages. This festival is, of course, a platform where voices often unheard can now finally be heard, no matter who they are or where they come from. Enjoy the show. Thank you.
When I was discussing filmmaking in AI and the creative process, we talked at some length about some of the impacts that you could have in the near to short term on our channel business.
The winner of الشرق Documentary Award, بنات ألفا, for daughters.
I stand before you this evening humbled by the collective power of our creative community, inspired by the stories they have told, proud of what we have achieved together, and grateful to the roles you played in the making this a success. Moments and people that made the third edition of the Red Sea International Film Festival. Thank you, everyone.